Looking for a fast, precise way to cut through cardboard, fabric, plastic, or even leather without hand fatigue? Let's check out the SakerPlus Cordless Electric Scissors. First off, this little powerhouse weighs just under a pound, only 0.91 lbs, which makes it super lightweight and easy to maneuver. The ergonomic handle feels comfortable in the hand with soft, non-slip grips that give you plenty of control, especially on longer projects. One of the standout features is safety. To get started, you have to press the safety switch before triggering the cutter, so there's much less risk of accidental starts. Plus, the blade sits inside a metal shield, leaving only a small cutting opening. That means you get smooth, precise cuts without worrying about accidental nicks or injury. It also has a built-in LED light at the front, which comes in handy if you're working in dim spaces like garages, storage rooms, or even under a workbench. The SakerPlus runs on a 4V Max lithium battery and is completely cordless, so you can move freely around your workspace. A single charge gives you about 25 minutes of continuous use, and with the power level indicator, it's easy to keep an eye on how much battery you've got left. Whether you're breaking down boxes for recycling, cutting fabric for crafts, or tackling thicker materials like carpet or leather, the SakerPlus Cordless Electric Scissors deliver clean, efficient cuts with minimal effort.